We often read in the scriptures of creatures that were part human and part beast. The creatures had human faces, and the rest of their bodies are animal-like. The children of the fallen also have animal DNA. That is why in their culture they cherish their pets. Have you ever wondered why many people consume animal milk? We are not the offspring of animals, yet we drink cow and other animal milk. Cows do not drink human milk. A human child is weaned from their mother's milk at an early age. Why must you continue to drink milk? It has been proven that animal milk and dairy has no nutritional value for humans. Israelites, what worked for the Caucasoid species does not work for us. We are of two different species. Eating and living by the standards of the beast system is causing the diseases of Egypt to plague the indigenous people.